Now, those cold temperatures are sticking around, and because of that, some may turn to alternative heating options like space heaters to keep warm. Tonight, 6 News Side reporter Dominic Webster spoke with the Knoxville Fire Department on how to be warm and safe this winter.
It's no secret that it's been chilly the last few days, and many people are trying to find ways to stay warm. There are ways. KFD says you can stay warm while also staying safe.
Never plug a space heater into an extension cord. Always plug it directly into a good outlet and make sure that outlet's not overloaded with other items. The second part is we always want to keep at least 3 feet away from any flammable materials. You don't want to set it on carpet. You want it on hardwood or some type of tile floor.
So far this year, the Knoxville Fire Department has responded to one house fire that was caused by a space heater.
On Keith Avenue, that fire was caused by a space heater. I'm not sure if it was something too close to it or what, but the space heater actually caused the fire, and it was one of the infrared heaters. Those are typically the safest type.
Space heaters aren't the only thing that could lead to a house fire. We saw a bowling alley on Western Avenue catch fire after a faulty heating and air system.
We see fireplace fires, or we'll see a heating and air system catch on fire, maybe because it hasn't been serviced in a number of years and things like that.
Wilbanks adds that functioning smoke detectors are your first line of defense against a fire.
We always say is smoke detectors save lives. A smoke detector going off is probably what will wake you up in the middle of the night. Smoke in your home is not going to wake you up most likely, and that's what kills people.
Wilbanks told me that around this time of year through March or April, they typically see an increase in house fires due to people using alternative heating. He adds that space heaters pull extra amperage than those typical household items, which is why they should not be plugged into extension cords, because those cords can heat up and cause a fire at either the outlet, in the middle of the cord, or where they are plugged in to the space heater.
Some good advice. Thank you, Dominic. Now, we are told any City of Knoxville resident who doesn't live in an apartment or a commercial space can call 311 and get a free smoke detector, so something to remember.